Good evening. Well, it's been nice to see the sunshine today. It did cloud over a little bit through the afternoon, and what we're finding now through the evening and overnight, the skies will start to clear again, and it is going to turn quite chilly once again into the early hours. Now, we've got high pressure influencing the weather this week, giving us a nice settled week. We've had a weather front working its way down from the north, and that could just bring the odd isolated shower for a time through the evening, but just becoming drier into the early hours. Clearer skies, a minimum temperature tonight of 2 Celsius, and a chilly but bright start to the day tomorrow. The cloud, like it did today, just starting to develop a little bit more into the afternoon, but remaining dry with highs of 12 Celsius.